because it can get real old school real quick, and I'm not going to see Shirley today. Well, hello. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kie RaShon. Today's video is brought to you by the beauty Nomad. This is my first time working with her, and I'm really excited, okay, because y'all, I got this wig together. You're gonna want to see how I got this wig that only costs a little bit of coin, okay, a little bit. Like this, okay? Trust me. Make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Okay, so like I said, this unit comes to us from the beauty Nomad. This is a black woman owned beauty supply store. Y'all know that's few and far between, so you know, I'm here for this, okay? Now I did do a little research on this wig because I didn't really know what this brand was, but in my research I'm seeing that it may be part of that main Concept line. I think it's a subdivision of the main Concept. Yeah, right here on the back, main Concept here. So yeah, I have featured wigs from them before. It's been a long time, okay? I mean a long time, but we back. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut off my card really quick. This is the InstaGlam502. Is that an airplane? Wait a minute. Got my military days coming in. Style name is Insta502. This is what the card looks like. I got her in the color 1B. She looks a little dated on the card, but you know, we're gonna try to get her together as best as possible. So let me take off these straps in the back. Oh, this cap feels small. Now wait a minute. This may be a little dark. Dang it. It's a 1B, right? Not a 1? Yeah, but I'm not mad at the curl or the texture. This texture feels sort of like it got some Yaki in it. So I'm really excited about, you know, trying this one. This bob look better be cute on me, Alicia. Cause she picked the wig for me, so we'll see how this comes out. I don't think I need a wig grip, but we gonna see. It may be too tight to the point that I do need a wig grip. Ooh, she wasn't even gonna go on the back, child. Okay, it does stretch because it has that ventilated cap in the back, so it still may be workable. Ow, ow, ow. It caught the kitchen. I don't want to use that comb. That joint is disrespectful. So yeah, I have a style in my head and I think I can make it work, but I'm gonna have to comb these curls out a little bit. Let's see. I can do this. Before I comb these out and style it for me, she did send me, I think it's a scarf, not a headband. I don't know what this is. What is this? Oh, it's a turban. I was like, wait. But I don't know how to use this. I'm pretty sure you put it on and then you can, oh, wait. So I'm pretty sure you can put it on like this or somewhere like that and then you can wrap it like around your head. I'm gonna have to work with that. I'm gonna have to watch a tutorial on that. I learned from YouTube as well. Where's my comb? I want to do like a little bump up situation. I don't want to bring out too much of my hair. If you want to wear a headband, you can definitely do that. I may have to put on my wig grip because how this is sitting on my head, it may keep sliding back. I'm using the wrong wig grip. I don't know what my other one is. Gotta do what I gotta do. Working out. I'm gonna lift mine up a little bit in the back. Okay, make sure I get the kind of the fullness that I want. I am getting some shedding with this wig though. Now if my memory serves me correctly, main Concept wigs do shed, they shed enough, okay? So be mindful of that. This one's go here. I think this is the look that we're going for. I'm gonna take my brush, I'm gonna just comb these curls out to relax them a bit. Be careful that you don't pull no tracks out, because it is a ventilated cap. Some of the tracks can come loose very quickly. Like I think I just pulled one out. Dang it. So that's unfortunate. Let me just brush it up like so. Keep on working with it. Bring this side over because I want the bang to kind of sit this way. Bump up my edges on this side. Take my little edge brush here. Tease up this hair at the root. I'm going to take some of my gel. Any gel you have will work. Put this back over here. Get the glasses off. I may need to cut a little bit of this right here in the front. Hold this up. Twist that back. You can put the curls back where you need them. Just gotta work with it a little bit. I need to still work with this, but I'm gonna go ahead and do my makeup really quick, and then we'll come back and finish up this styling, okay? Let me figure out how I want to style the top of this wig. I need this part to go this way. This is gonna be a labor of love for sure. Just bump this a little bit to the front, and I'm gonna use some bobby pins to get my bang how I need her. So I'm gonna use a bobby pin just like this. I got little short pieces in there, but we ain't gonna worry about it too much. I'm just gonna bobby pin it like that. And then kind of mess it up a little bit. There we go. Just wanna make sure it stays where I need her to stay. And then you see the curls can pretty much go back to how they were once they are brushed out. Just gotta play with it a little bit. Let me cut this little piece right here because it's too long. Perfect. So you don't see the bobby pin, but it's right there. I want this here, be bump right there, but I want this to go back this way. Like that. This wig is only $25, y'all, so get in where your pockets fit in, okay? All right, let me get this one. I want this to go back. Hold on, which way I want to go? I want to go this way. Now the wig can't be pulled down longer, but I want mine to be up for the bob look. Okay, so I'm just going to tuck it under the back. Okay, I'm just tucking it under like that. Let me get these curls clumped back how I want it to be, because it can get real old school real quick, and I'm not going to see Shirley today. I want the messy bob look. That's what I want. Gotta make sure my track not gonna be popping out. I'm still mad about that. I can't believe I did that. Dang. Use a little bit of my Toppik right here in the front. Brush that on out. I need a little bit more gel right here in the front. Press that back like that. Use my knot eraser. Use this color right here in the middle. Work it down to my part, and then take it back into the wig. It's gonna tap onto that wig real quick. Tap, 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 tap. Make sure it's blended. Top it off with my 360 Mocha press powder. Do I want hoops? I think I do. Put on my bracelets. Wait a minute, can't be out here with the crusty lips. Where's my lip gloss? Okay, okay. Mm-hmm. Okay, y'all, so this is the final look. We got it together. Gotta keep working with her to get it, you know, sitting how I want her to look this way, okay? But this way is a vibe. The side profile is definitely given. She's not gonna be for everybody, okay? Some people don't like short wigs. Some people don't like short curly wigs. Some people don't like synthetic. Some people don't like cheap. But for me and my dome, I like what I did with this one. She still has some movement, but she's gonna get stiff. What do you expect, Brenda? It's $25, okay? So don't come over here about, I can tell it's gonna tangle. I hope you can, Brenda. Like, quiet. I can also, let me see how it's gonna look with the hair all down. I tucked mine, so let me just bring it all out so we can see the actual length for this one. Okay, right at the shoulder. So she a cute little bang look as well. I could do like a little pin back like this if I wanted to. My edges are still tucked under the wig. This is just the gel look. Okay, that's cute too, right? Am I seeing things? I'm seeing the right things. Yes, I am. I love me a curly wig. I don't care if it's synthetic or human. I love them all. But anyway, that is all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to the Beauty Nomad for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link for this unit down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.